Let's go ahead and do some magic edit here with my banner for my over the shoulder product research series I'm doing for my newsletter. This shirt here isn't very complimentary. It kind of just looks bad. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll in really quick, and we kind of see it just doesn't create enough contrast between me as the subject with my shirt and the background with the gradient that I want to use. So I was thinking, well, maybe what we can do is hit magic edit. But of course, before we do any of that, I want to go ahead and create a scribe guide for you to follow along in case you don't want to watch all of this video. You just want to do a step-by-step, PDF printable. So what I do, or what I've done is I have my subject here, which is me, and I selected it. I'm cut away from the background and I'm positioned over in the corner, and I'm going to keep me selected, and I'm going to go ahead and hit magic edit. And as you can see, I am magically edited here. Just got to try and be funny. So we're going to use the brush. It says the brush over the area to edit. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to start with this and just do my shirt. And first of all, I could get into detail here. Now this is similar what would be done in Photoshop if you're familiar with Photoshop, but I do find this to be a little bit easier because it actually outlays the steps for you, as well as we're going to be able to use some generated type of prompts in order to change my shirt. And so it would be quite interesting then that for every week that I produce one of these over the shoulder newsletter pieces, I can use the same banner, but just change out my shirt. Pretty genius, right? Pretty genius. Let's see. I did make a little oops there. And let's see if we can. I'm going to do a reset the brush. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to scroll in and see if I can go over here, because this is where I was having some troubles. Right here on that bottom corner. I want this to look pretty seamless. And I'm just going to go ahead and gradually do that. And I'm going to reduce the size of the brush. That way it's just a little bit easier. As you see, I have quite the shadow on my shirt there. I want to edit that out. It comes from using poor lighting. This is taken with my cell phone. In case you're wondering what I'm doing with my other hand that's not in the picture, I'm holding my cell phone trying to take the selfie. And there we go. Now I can come in with the bigger brush. We'll size that up and go over everything. Now I did, to let the secret out, I did do this just a few minutes ago, and I'm like, this would be a good little training video, a little show and tell of how to use this. And I can see myself creating a lot of different junk journal type items using this little feature and product. Pretty excited about it. Actually, my mind is churning, ideas are coming out, and I look forward to sharing more of that with you in the upcoming posts in my newsletter and videos here. Okay, so yeah, now I got a purple shirt, right? That's what it kind of looks like, but let's go ahead and do something different here. Now, I can, write in my prompt here, um, red, red shirt or something of that sort. But what I did was I typed in as a prompt a sailor shirt. Okay. And let's see what the old AI generator does for me. We're going to hit generate. Is this going to generate something for what I had highlighted and selected? Of course, it's doing its little thinking, looking for the results, selecting results to give me a choice. Oh, look at that. That's so funny. Yeah, it's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. You can see the shadow. Well, it looked like maybe the shadow kind of carried over a little bit. Oh, all different kinds of options. Of course, we can generate new results just to see what happens. And it's just going to take a minute here. It's kind of neat. It's not 100%, but it is definitely. I got to see that one. What's that one look like? Yeah, I like the other ones better. I wonder if you can resort back to. I don't know. That one doesn't look too good. We'll just go ahead and try it again. See if we can come up with one we like, and then we'll go from there. Oh, yeah, I like that. I kind of like that one. That's like that other one I just did. Let's see. How does that look? It's kind of believable. Kind of. We'll go with it. We'll hit done. So there you have it. I'm wearing a different shirt.